Hello friends, in previous tutorial we learned about pen tool, add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, convert direction point tool, type tool and type on a path tool. In this tutorial we will learn about pencil tool, smooth tool, erase tool, line tool, rectangle frame tool. First of all, we learn about pencil tool. It is used for draw freeform path. This is the example of pencil tool, where we can draw any type of object. Second, smooth tool. It is used to remove excess angle from a path. This is the example of smooth tool, where we can remove angles from a path. Erase tool. It is used to delete points on a path. This is the example of erase tool, where we can delete the point on a path. Line tool. It is used for draw line segment. This is the example of line tool, where we can draw a line. Rectangle frame tool. It is used to create a square or a rectangle placeholder. This is the example of rectangle frame tool, where we can draw or create a square or rectangle placeholder. Now open the InDesign software. Here we using trial version, so click on continue trial, then after click on document, then press OK. Now select pencil tool, then draw any object. Using pencil tool, we can draw any type of object. Next is smooth tool. It is used to remove excess angle from a path. First of all, we draw a rectangle, then select smooth tool, now select erase tool, This is the example of erase tool. Now select line tool. Then draw a straight line. Using line tool, we can make any object. This is the example of line tool. Now select rectangle frame tool. It is used to create square or a rectangle placeholder. This is the example of rectangle frame tool. Here in rectangle tool, we can place any type of picture or image. This is the example of rectangle frame tool. Thank you. In next tutorial, we will learn about ellipse frame tool, polygon frame tool, rectangle tool, and ellipse tool, polygon tool.